If you want to know how I went from this to this, then keep on watching. So I'll be showing you guys how I transformed this hair to a bob. If you want to know more details on this wig, this is a sensational Janelle wig. I recently did a review on that. So if you're interested in watching my review, I will link it in the description down below. But as you can see right now, I'm just brushing out the hair. My reason for wanting to cut this is just to switch the wig up a little bit, and as I mentioned in the review, the ends do get tangled a little bit, not tangled badly, but I just wanted to switch it up. So obviously for this you would need shears. I just got my shears from a local beauty supply store and I probably spent about $1.99, if that. Now I'm just splitting my hair into two different sections, and around each section I'll be wrapping around a ponytail holder. With the ponytail holder, I'm trying not to wrap this too high on the hair just because I would rather cut more hair than cutting little and having a little bit of hair left, if you get what I mean. So I'm trying to cut this hair in an angle just so it'll easily, form that bob type look angle I'm trying to go for. So that's what I'm doing right now, and obviously I'm not a professional, but I can critique my mistakes. So throughout the video, that's what you'll be seeing a lot, me trying to critique my cut, because of course, like I just said, it is not going to be perfect. Because I do not own a wig head, this was kind of tough for me because obviously I cannot see the back of my head. So I just tried to get the back pieces the best way I could by pulling the hair forward. And after the video, of course, I just, tried to critique it without the wig on my head. So I'm just checking the back, just trying to look and see how it looks to see where I would probably need to fix it the most. And I'm just brushing through my hair, just trying to make sure at least the cut looks better than the way it did when I first cut it. So now you would need your flat iron, and I'm about to start going over the hair with the flat iron. As you can see, I'm trying to flat iron my hair to where the ends will be bumped, and I feel like the bump ends look best, especially on a bob cut. So that's what I'm doing. Since this is a synthetic wig, it was kind of challenging for me, especially at first, trying to get the hair to stay into a bump. But then I finally got it, so that's good. But this is what I will be doing throughout my whole head, just bumping the ends so it'll have that nice kind of effortless bob look. So after flat ironing my hair, I'm going back in with the shears, just trying to fix any mistakes that I see throughout the hair, just so it'll look better than how it looks currently. So that's what I'll be doing, just, fixing what I feel like needs to be fixed. So that concludes my tutorial of cutting my hair into a bob. I know it's not perfect, but it looks good for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed.